Ayurveda suggests a few natural and herbal remedies that may help in cutting belly fat. As per Ayurveda expert Raman Kumar from Nirag Street, any herb that can increase metabolism is helpful in cutting belly fat. In fact, most spices like bay leaf and cumin jeera, cinnamon also help in reducing fat. It is recommended to drink warm water to boost digestion. People who drink cold water have difficulty in reducing fat. We cannot stress enough on the fact that you must pair these remedies with exercises and a healthy diet to ensure weight loss. Today, we will share with you how to natural weight lose 5 kg in 5 days, loss your weight super fast. Before starting, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for notification. So first we need 2 glass water. Then second ingredient is bay leaf. Bay leaves are a rich source of vitamin A, vitamin C, iron, potassium, calcium, and magnesium. Also, regular inclusion of bay leaves in meals promotes general health. They have been proven to be useful in the treatment of migraines. Bay leaf contains enzymes that help to break down proteins and digest food faster, helping to calm indigestion. Bay leaves may reduce food cravings, thereby reducing body weight. Third, we need cumin seeds. Cumin can be used for weight loss as it is an effective weight loss remedy. You can lose fat from your belly as well as your whole body within just 15-20 days by eating cumin seeds or drinking cumin water daily. Previously, a study was held in which 80 obese women were divided into 2 groups, cumin group and diet control group. The cumin group were asked to consume cumin on a daily basis and the other group was asked to control their diet. Fourth, we need cinnamon. Cinnamon has been shown to reduce some of the bad effects of eating high-fat foods. This can help in an overall weight loss plan. Its effect on blood glucose levels can also help your body ultimately lose weight. The anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties of cinnamon can provide additional help to those trying to lose weight by promoting an overall healthy body that'll process food better. It's important to note that cinnamon alone will not lead to long-term weight loss. But it might be beneficial to add cinnamon to your healthy diet and exercise plan to help you reach your weight loss goal. Fifth, we need green cardamom. Cardamom has been used as a spice and as a traditional medicine in many cultures. Modern science shows that cardamom may help lower cholesterol, improve diabetes, and reduce your risk of heart disease. Read on to discover all the potential benefits of cardamom, but also its side effects. Mix it well. Add 1 tablespoon salt. Boil it for 10 to 15 minutes until remain. Need 1 tablespoon honey. Ready for drink. It can be taken either on an empty stomach or after eating. Every day drink this remedis. I hope only 5 days good result for you. If you like this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe now.